Well, right now, the pattern of the rain is kind of hit and miss. Some have some downpours, others some sunshine, but it's awfully steamy out there. Yeah, 80 right now. That humidity makes it feel like it's around 84. It's the type of air mass where if you've been out inside and you wear glasses and you walk outside, your glasses steam up. That happens to me all the time, and I'm sure it's happened to you as well. That kind of describes what's happening out there right now. Temperatures for the most part, upper 70s, low to mid 80s for a June day. That's not bad, all things considered. It's this that makes it feel much hotter. Adds about 4 or 5 degrees to the temperature. The humidity in the 70 to almost 90% range, and of course higher where it's raining. And there's a problem. With such a saturated air mass, saturated ground, any slow-moving storm could allow for some flash flooding. So today, it was a widespread area, including us, out of that excessive rainfall outlook. And again, tomorrow, we're going to stay in that area at a slight risk of excessive rain, meaning it's not going to rain entirely all day, but any slow-moving storm could drop an inch or two of rain quickly and cause a runoff and cause areas of flash flooding. Now, by Wednesday, we do get some improvement. Notice no shading there, as rain chances and shower chances are going to be much, much lower by then, so some relief not far away. But that flood watch remains in effect through at least this evening. Again, if you look at the rainfall pattern on the radar, it's not raining everywhere all at once, which is the scattered nature of this, and the slow movement means some flash flooding could occur. But again, any storms have been a little noisy at times, though not severe. Be aware of the lightning risk, but the other severe factors are kind of low. There's a greater coverage along I-75 in east, parts of Cherokee County, parts of Polk, parts of Fannin County. A lot of slow-moving heavy downpours and just sporadic downpours west of the city. This will continue off and on this evening. Gradually through the evening, beyond sunset, the coverage rain kind of drops off a bit, and we're left with clouds, fog overnight, and then tomorrow, more on a scattered basis again. We got a stall frontal boundary north of us kind of lifting away. South of it, where we are, is just a very humid air mass conducive to producing showers and storms. So we go through tomorrow. This is early on in the day. Temperatures around 70. Still a chance for just scattered showers and storms. It's not everywhere all at once, and it's not all day. But at times, when these pass on by, both during the morning and afternoon, it could cause heavy downpours. Now, keep in mind, because of the scattered nature, you're going to have other spots where there's sunshine. And if you get more hours of sunshine, you could push close to 90 by the afternoon. We'll hold high temperatures mid to upper 80s, but it could be an awfully steamy one if you don't get the rain. But notice by the time we go through tomorrow night and by Wednesday, the chance of showers kind of drops off. And with more added sunshine, we'll have more high temperatures pushing near 90 by Wednesday afternoon, with only a slight chance by then, and a very similar pattern through the end of the work week. So tomorrow, keep the umbrella handy. You won't need it all day, just close by at times for these splash and dash showers. And be aware if you live in a flood-prone area for excessive runoff and flash flooding. Highs will make it mid to upper 80s, even higher in some spots that have more sunshine. So again, tomorrow's rainfall pattern is going to be scattered. There will be areas of sun offset by areas of storms. Then on Wednesday, far fewer storms. We'll have more sunshine. Same thing on Thursday. And then more than likely by the weekend, it's going to stay hot, very humid, with just a slightly elevated chance of mainly just afternoon storms, a typical summer pattern by the weekend.
All right.